Jai Srimanarayana. Seventh sloka from first chapter of Srimad Bhagavad Gita. Please repeat. Asmakantu Visishtaye Tannibodha Dvijottama Nayaka Mama Sainyasya Saujñārdham Tan Bravimite Om. The message from this sloka is, if we carry any wrong intentions, that definitely results in very shameless actions. So let us not carry any wrong intentions to anyone in this world. The final instruction from Bhagavad Gita, what Sri Krishna suggested us is, come to me, surrender to me alone. Mamekam Saranam Vraja. For these both instructions, let us now give a word to Sri Krishna Paramatma, saying that, Ho Krishna, I shall not carry any wrong intentions to any entity in this world. Ho Krishna, I shall come to you, I shall surrender to you. Let us all do these. Let us all give this word to Sri Krishna Paramatma with good amount of conviction. Let us say this in Sanskrit. Ho Krishna, Karishye Vachanam Tava Sarvam Sri Krishnarpanamastu. Jai Srimanarayana. Now let us learn Srimad Bhagavatam. Namaskaram to Srimad Bhagavatam. Nigamakalpatarorgalitam phalam Sukhamukhadamrutadrava sanyutam Pibata Bhagavatam rasamalayam Muhuraho rasika bhuvi bhavukaha. Namaskaram to Sri Sukha Yogindra. Yam pravrajantamapeta krutyam Dvaipayano virahakatara ajuhava Putreti tanmayataya taravobhineduhu Tam sarvabhuta hrudayam munimanatosmi. Namaskaram to Naranarayana Chaturmukha Brahma Saraswati Devi Vyasamaharshi Narayanam Namaskritya Naram Chaiva Narottamam Devim Saraswatim Vyasam Tato Jayam Vudirayet. In Srimad Bhagavatam 8th Skandham, Suta Mahamuni giving his discourse to Saunaka and other Maharshis, saying that, O Maharshis, Sri Sukha Yogindra teaching Srimad Bhagavatam to Parikshin Narendra, saying that, O Parikshin Narendra, Bali Chakravarti asking Vamana like this, O Vamana, O Brahmanottama, please tell me what you want. I shall definitely give you whatever you want. When Bali Chakravarti said like that, Vamana felt very happy and saying like this, O Raja, Vachaha tava etat sunrutam kulochitam dharmayutam yasahkaram yasya pramanam pitamaha kulavruddhaha prasantaha. O Raja, you have said very rightly and very righteously. Whatever that you said, all that is true. You have said according to the dignity of your dynasty. You have said according to the fame and dignity of your dynasty. And your grandfather, Prahlada, is a reference for anyone to follow the righteousness and attain moksham. You have said all these words according to his dignity also. O Raja, in your vamsam, in your dynasty, there is no one that who is not Satvika. Ranabhiru vululeru, Vitaranabhiru vululeru. There is no one who runs away from the battlefield. There is no one such people in your vamsam. And nahi etasmin kule kaschit nissatvaha krupanaha. In your dynasty there is no one who has cruel mind. In your dynasty there is no one who does not do charity to the Brahmanas. There is no one in your dynasty, the one who runs away or gets scared of battles. Also, O Raja, there is no one in your dynasty who gives a word that I will do charity and does not stand on that word. Everyone is great in your dynasty. Like that, Vamana appreciating Bali Chakravarti and his ancestors and his dynasty. What happens next, we will learn tomorrow. Om Shri Krishna Parabrahmane Namaha. Om Asmadgurubhyo Namaha. Mukundamala. Krishno rakshatu no jagatraya guruhu Krishnam namasyamyaham. Krishnena marasetravo vinihataha. Krishnaya tasmai namaha. Krishnadeva samuthitam jagadidam. Krishnasya dasosmyaham. Krishne tishtati visvametadakhilam. He Krishna samrakshamam. Srimad Bhagavad Gita, 1st chapter, 7th sloka. Asmakantu visishtaye tan nibodha dvijottama nayaka mama sainyasya saujñārdham tan bravimite. Asmakantu visishtaye tan nibodhadvijottama nayaka mama sainyasya saujñārdham tan bravimite. Srimannarayana karishye vachanam tava. Sarvam Shri Krishnarpanamastu. Jai Srimannarayana.